Hi everyone, today I will tell you how to fix something like you have installed from Google Chrome and you're unable to open it. For example, I just installed XAMMP, and when I open it, so it says like I can't open it because developer cannot verify it. So alternatively I have to eject it, but there is a way to do that. What I have to do, I just go to my Finder and where I just open it. Okay, so what I have to do, I double click on it and yeah, I got that prompt. What else I have to do, I have to go to search and write system settings and just have to put it here and go to security and privacy, and I open it so you guys can see this type of thing. So what you have to do, you have to unlock it, add your password, go to here, and here you can see the name of application is blocked, so I have to put it, open it anyway, and then unlock this again. So I just, okay, open. So I do it again here. Yay, here we go. So like that, you can easily open any uh, blocked application in Mac. Thank you so much. Keep watching my channel and follow and subscribe my channel for better videos.